Now we are compare between 2-mile ViVO V40 Pro Honor X9b. In hand feel, which one is better in hand feel? Thickness, 7.6 mm better than 8.6 mm. Weight, 192 gram better 185 gram. Build quality, which one is better build quality? Glass back and plastic frame better. Resistance, IP68 better. Display, which one is better display? When display size, both models are same display size. Display type, AMOLED, same. Resolution, Full HD+, same. Refresh rate, 120 Hz, same. Touch sampling rate, 240 Hz, same. Brightness, 4500 nits, better. Protection, no. HDR10 Plus support and HDR10 almost the same. Now OS, UI. Android 14 better. Performance, which one is better performance? Dimensity, 9200 plus better. 4nm processor, same. And both models are per-core processor. GPU ViVO better. Storage. Both models are almost same variants. Storage type UFS 3.1, same. Main camera. 50 megapixel main camera. 108 megapixel main camera. Main camera video recording 4K resolution, same. Front camera. (50 megapixel better than 16 megapixel. Front camera video recording 4K, same. Battery. 5800 mAh better. Charging, 80 watt better. Connectivity. Both models are 5G network support, same. Bluetooth 5.3 better. Cable type C 2.0, same. Sound. Both stereo speaker better than single speaker. Security. Both models are in-display fingerprint, same. Price. Honor better price than ViVO. Now check our winner. ViVO V40 Pro winner. Thanks for watching. For more video, please subscribe.